Okay guys, today we're building a quail cage. As you can see from my little sketch here, this is not straight or square. I do that so the outcome is not disappointing. So I know it's not going to be straight or square when it's done. It'll just be the best I can get it. Big disclaimer here. This is how I'm building a quail cage. This is not how to build a quail cage. I'm sure there's a lot better designs out there, a lot easier, but this is the materials I have, and I'm thinking my birds will be quite happy with it. Hey guys, check it out. Another project. This time we're building a quail cage. Might be a little bit overkill, but this is what we got. This thing is 2 meters long, half meter high, and 600 millimeters deep. So it's quite big, but like anything, it won't be big enough eventually. It's nearly finished actually. Just need to put the sides on, and it should be done. I haven't decided on a latch for the doors yet. Might not use one. I might put a string with a counterweight so the doors automatically close. I haven't decided yet. There's been so much wind here lately, I haven't been able to work in the daytime. Tonight it's really nice out, so I got quite a bit done. Kind of hard to weld when the wind is blowing. Check out the hinges I built. All it is 4 bolts, or sorry, 4 nuts. These 2 nuts welded together, these 2 welded together with a bolt through it. Pretty cool, huh? I got this idea from John, the guy I got my dog from. I like it. Simple, easy. Put the door stop right here so the door can't go in. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a latch here or run the string from here to the back of the cage with a counterweight so it automatically closes. That's how I did my chicken house, my chicken doors, and it works good. So you open the door, as soon as you let it go, it closes. One problem I got, and I knew I was going to have it, the holes are too big. I have this plastic stuff, it's got much smaller holes, and the people I bought the quail from, this is what they use to make their cages. So I'll line the bottom with this, that way the eggs won't fall through, and it's not such a big hole for them to walk on. This is a 25 millimeter 1 inch square, and for the sides and the top we got 40 millimeters. What's that, 1 3/4 I guess, something like that. I'm not sure what this is, if this is galvanized or not. Hard to weld, that's for sure. Got everything tacked on. It's a pretty slow process, doing every single wire. But it'll be strong when it's done. You could pick it up by that, so it's nice and strong. I haven't decided what I'm going to do for the feet yet, but I have to put something because I don't have concrete floors. I have clay, so this thing will sink. So I'll put some kind of feet on there. Hopefully if it's a nice day tomorrow I can get it finished, get the birds in there, and the next time we see it, it should be full of happy birds. Alright guys, time to shut down the workshop. Time for a beer. Okay guys, check it out. The cage is finally done. Took a couple of days. Gee, a lot of work. especially making doors and everything. But she's finished. I built it in such a way that I could easily make it into two. Just put a divider in the middle. I'd have 2 cages if I wanted. It's good and strong. Not the easiest way to build something, that's for sure. That's why I put the disclaimer at the beginning. This is how I did it. This is not how to do it. This is not its final resting spot. This is beside the house, which is cool. I get to see them a lot more. They're resting comfortably now, but when I first put them in there, they really enjoyed running around and flying around and just having fun. Now they're listening to me. The only problem with them being right here is the wind. I put this red thing over the end here. That's a seat cover. Thank you, Toyota Service Center. It'll stop the wind until my barn is finished, my chicken coop barn, and then they can go in there. I put skis on it. Instead of making 4 feet, I made 2. That way I make it stronger, more stable. That's what I'm thinking. Just in case, you know, some turkey jumps on top of here or something, and that wouldn't be good, would it? Now for the doors, I didn't, as you can see, no latch. I designed a dual hammer locking system. Each door gets a hammer. So that keeps the doors closed. Works good. They'll slam if given half a chance. And that scares the birds. They're still pretty skittish. They're getting better. They're relaxing now and much better. For the water, I went with the welding rod hook. It just clips in the roof. Right there at the top. Right here. Nothing special. Works good. Easily adjusted. The feeder. I wanted to put an external feeder, but I haven't found anything to make it out of. So I got this one. This is my regular chick feeder from baby chickens, and I'm hanging it from the top. Swinging feeder. I find birds waste a lot less if the feeder is hanging and they can't kick it over or get into it and scratch. So we'll see how it goes. Should be okay. So far, no food on the ground. Ah, look at the birds. There's 13 of them. No eggs yet. I don't know when they're going to make eggs. We lost 4. I came out one morning and there was 4 birds missing. And I found 2 and thought the other 2 were gone. And about 3 days later, they come back. I don't know where they were hiding. So they probably went on a walkabout until they got hungry and then they made their way back. They're lucky they didn't walk into the cat. So still got all 13. The 12 I bought in the bonus one. I still don't know the boys from the girls. I think they all look cool. I guess I'll know when they start dropping eggs, if not before. As I said at the start, this is the smallest wire I could get. It's 1-inch stuff. So I line it with the plastic on, and they run around on that no problem. I'm not a fan of birds on cages. I think birds should be on the ground, but this shouldn't hurt their feet or do anything. I think this will be alright. You just have to get them a dust bath every once in a while. I think they enjoy that. Just a tub of dirt for them to play in. I know just from having them in the tub with the shavings, they really like to take a dust bath just in the shavings. So we'll get them some dust. I think they'll enjoy that. Alright guys, well that's it. Thanks for watching. This is my quail cage. It's unlike any I've ever seen, but that's pretty much how I do things. Okay, thanks for watching.